everyone. Your girl is back. First of all, let me say Happy New Year's to everyone. Yeah, this is my first video back for 2023. As you know, I put up a post that I was in the hospital from December 30th. Oh, yeah, from December 30th until January the 6th. Yeah, so I spent my New Year's um in the hospital. I wasn't feeling well. Well, yeah, for the past few days before that, I wasn't feeling well. And then I got worse, so I just took myself to the emergency department. And when they checked me out, I had um more fluid on my lungs, which is pneumonia. So they treated me for that and then sent me home. And then you know what your girl has been home relaxing with meds and stuff. And had to take up back some DIYs. I like doing DIYs. That's what makes me happy. So that's what I did. I did some DIYs. And I'm coming on to share those with you. But first of all, I'd like to thank everyone for all their prayers and well wishes that you guys all sent out to me in my time of need. It's truly appreciated. And as you see, it worked. It worked because with your blessings and the help from the doctors and my almighty God, your girl is doing better. Yes, I am. So I'm still taking my time, relaxing, not doing anything hectic. I'm still taking meds. I'm not finished with the meds that they gave me as yet to bring home and take. But, you know, like I said, I love doing DIYs. Makes me happy, keeps me contented, takes my mind off of the issues that I have on hand. Yeah, so, like I said, I'm coming on to share with you 2 simple accent DIYs for your home. And I hope everyone will give me a thumbs up for today's DIYs. And if you're not subscribed, I do hope you will subscribe so you can come back and see more of the DIY ideas I have to share with you all. Now, I'm not going to do much talking in the video. I'll just be putting words telling you guys what I'm doing, showing you the end result and all that good stuff. So let's get into the DIYs that I have to share with you today. All right, everyone, now we have this candle holder from the Dollar Tree, but I'm coming on to share with you these nice checkered design in black and white. I forgot what they're called. I think Mackenzie something another. Anyways, I got them from Totally Dazzled. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I ordered them before I got sick, but I'm just getting the chance now to share them with you guys. Aren't they nice? I absolutely love them. Tell me what they're called. I forgot the name for this pattern. But let me know in the comments section below. Okay, so I'm just going to use some hot glue and glue them onto our candle holder. And here are our finished pieces for our first set of DIYs. I added some glam to our candles. And here's another way to put them together. I think it looks so cute. I love how it turned out. I love the checkered design that I got from Totally Dazzled. It's so cute and nice. And of course, these candles are for display only. Do not burn them with these bling on them. They're just for display accent pieces purpose only. I love how they turned out. And you have more than one way you can display these candles, just like this. Or you can put them up together like this. I think this way looks cute too. Tell me which way you like it. Leave me a comment down below. Alright, let's get into DIY number 2. And here's the finished look for our second set of DIYs in gold and black. I like how this one turned out also. And just like the ones before, you could switch up the look. So you could use these pieces and give yourself more than one kind of accent decor ideas. I love the checkered blings. I think it looks so nice. And everything put together makes a lovely accent piece for your home. So that's all your girls got for you today. I'd like to thank you all once again, like I said, for your well wishes, your prayers, and everything. I truly appreciate it. So leave a comment down below and let me know what you think of our accent pieces that I put together to share with you today. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye, everyone.